book just being released. Uh, all of you, ladies and gentlemen, who have come here for this launch. Obviously, you have come for the looking at the pavilion. But I mean, truly happy to be here to launch two books. First, about 20 minutes back, we launched one book on the Indian Navy, Forged by the Seas, and now this book, Echoes of Heroism. Both the authors, respective authors, have already enunciated the contours of the book, so I will not go on that. But I would like to compliment the organizers of this New Delhi World Book Fair and the National Book Trust under the tutelage of Ministry of Education, Government of India. I am told that more than 2 million personnel are likely to visit the fair during the conduct, and I am very happy to see a lot of youngsters whom I call the Kindle generation. They are going into the bookstals, they are buying books, they are carrying books. So that's a good sign. Ladies and gentlemen, the books and leadership and all that which you have seen everywhere, it reeks of leadership. Whenever you talk of military, it's about leadership taking decisions. Leadership and books have got very close connection. You must have read, I think the author is Mr. Sharma, and he very correctly pointed out that all readers, and I'm talking of the reading habits of books, all readers may not be leaders, but all leaders are certainly readers. So if you want to become a leader, reading habit is a must, because from my own experience I have realized that when you read a book, you get perspectives from somebody whom you have not met, therefore your vision is not colored. You get a totally dispassionate sentiments, and thereafter, after reading books, not one but many books, you can formulate your own opinion. And again, from personal experience, I say that it is not only in combat, but also in a day-to-day affairs. Reading books come in handy, because some of the situations which you face on a daily basis, which look very heavy, which look very daunting, if you have read many books, read people's experiences, those start looking smaller, and there are answers in those books. Some of those are intangible. They may not be listed that this is what you have to do. But if you have read many books, and if you have this habit of reading few pages at least every day before you go to sleep, that will make you wiser. That will prepare you for any eventuality. So my humble request to all the youngsters and everybody, all of us who are present here, is to please read books. They do contribute to your personality. They do contribute to your preparedness to handle any eventuality in life. So once again, I want to thank the National Book Trust, the organizers, and of course the authors who are sitting here for bringing out this book. I'm sure this is not the first one. There are many more to follow. I'm told already the sequel is in the offing. I'm really pleased to be here. I wish you all the very best. We just celebrated the festive season, the 13th, 14th, 15th. So happy Lohri, happy Bihu, happy Makar Sankranti, happy Pongal to everybody. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for these words. Always a pleasure listening to you. Now we conclude this book launch. Thank you so much. Can we have a